What's up, guys? What is up, guys?
Suma. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode on Boys Night.
It's called the Boys Night.
Hi, my name is Jay Jason. People call me Jay.
Yo, Jason Jack. No, we put that one, the pera.
Neon Rider Perampat.
Neon Rider pera, was good.
Hi guys, my name is Ruba.
Hi guys, my name is Shan. Guys, Poon guys.
My name is Suguen Rao. You can call me.
Hi guys, I'm Kyle.
So guys, today we're going to talk about how to define the norm and follow your passion, especially from an Indian household. Okay, in what sense? Maybe in terms of
I don't think
freedom.
that like they can differentiate between like Indian, Malay, Chinese. They can just specify it as like Malaysians.
But first of all, have you guys like experienced it in your household?
I mean, it's like to a certain extent, yes. Everyone's gonna say that.
Constraining your freedom or what you want to pursue.
Our parents like set us out for one straight course, but then it's up to us to find out which direction we want to be in.
Once you born in Indian family, you have to go through this kind of stuff. Right?
Oh my god.
Like curfews. Then you have to listen to your parents say, okay, you have to study engineering or either that. Everyone goes to the same thing. And then how do you break it? You have to prove them.
அவன் laugh cut பண்ணி நம்மளோட background score.
Purvin, upcoming project.
Coming project is bad trip lah, bad trip. Should be releasing in September or October. Hopefully, yeah, bad trip lah.
Corona.
Yeah, bad trip is our blockbuster. Not to say featuring the short
Not
film, but
not yet even released yet.
bigger scale in terms of budget
I
and
see.
pre-production, post-production.
3 figures budget, but we managed to shoot the film.
3 figures, 3 figures.
3 figures. The 4 figures. 4 figures.
Yeah,
4 figures.
Problems you all faced during the shoot in the MCO period.
Wow, interesting.
Oh, that's a hard one.
Yeah,
Okay.
excellent question.
What happened during the MCO
We
period?
just do Skype call, right?
Period.
Period.
During MCO we can't do
Period.
much.
Not that period, but period.
Please be mature, please.
Let's go with the director first.
MCO lost one corporate project and
Corporate.
gained a bigger project technically.
Exactly.
true.
Think about it. We got a lot of stick out for that lah. I mean, a lot of. But then we took it positively and we just moved on. Okay, I want to ask tips untuk beginner.
I think the question is way too general. So, just in relation to your specific passion.
VFX.
To be honest, like I learned everything from YouTube lah.
Right.
Praise be to YouTube.
As always.
So as long as you get to the basics, you have to start slow. You have to understand the software, then you can do what you want to do.
Yeah, let's move on to our director.
Direction, I think you guys have to start writing. Start writing screenplays, start writing scripts, dialogues. Yeah, then you can make a film. DOP or editor, I think it's all experience.
Okay, another more thing for direction. So direction, if you want to know more about direction stuff, I think it's best for you all to read more good stories. I think.
Actually, read person from my side. I don't. I'm not a reading person. I'm a visual person. I learn filmmaking through movies. So if you are a reading person, then you can. I think Jega is more to reading.
We are both. And all.
We are more. I'm more to visuals.
Visual.
Visual taught me more lessons than reading. I don't read much.
I mean, we have debates on why Interstellar was good or bad. Next is our frontliner.
Saving lives, guys.
Please move to porn, please.
On form lah.
A few moments later.
Stories.
wanted to.
Wanted.
That's the point. I wanted to.
Not this point, Your Honor.
Okay, if,
For more context, visit 4 years ago to news.
For those asking where is 11th hour part 2, please DM Sharon. He has the footage, he has the screen.
Okay,
Another
come
one.
let's shift to Puan really.
I'm not the best actor, but I learned through.
எனக்கு நல்லா வருதும் வேண்டாம்
And also get advice from like Jiga, Ruba, Jubin. Like when they tell that this is not good and how to improvise, and that's when you step out of your comfort zone and listen to the advice and learn. And honestly, acting is not something where you can like read a book or something. You have to develop through a lot of years. So I'm not the best, but I'm still learning. And you got to listen and not have ego, lah, basically.
The director's actor. He does what the director says.
Next, Jiga.
Jega scriptwriter, game developer, VFX.
You need my
From
All
US
rounder
written.
lah.
US import.
Pentagon.
I'm from computer animation, game dev, so I'm gonna give some tips on that if anyone's interested. Boring! You need to have good time management. You need to know when to procrastinate and when not to. Definitely.
So you have to be rich to buy all parts.
Hashtag smartass, hashtag richass.
Okay, hold on. I mean, to a certain extent, I agree. Next is Jubin.
So tips for beginners, for if let's say you want to be a director of a photography, basically handle cameras. When I was starting was using a DSLR, normal DSLR. It's from a beginner.
அது ஒரு காலம்.
So I started from there, doing photos. Slowly I started to progress myself and I learned new things through YouTube. Yeah, actually I learned a lot in YouTube.
Do you have any suggestions on which Instagram is on content to follow?
Okay,
No inspiration.
Yeah,
okay,
inspiration.
okay, from my inspiration, surely I'll start with a guy named Orion York.
Okay, lastly our food and beverage department.
Hey, Stunt Master.
Finally.
Oh, Stan Master also.
Finally, our
Okay,
Scrum Master.
in order to like sum up everything, right? We just need trust to start over anything.
கண்ணான கண்ணே கண்ணான கண்ணே என் மீது சாயவா.
Because like we won't know like how good one person is in that. So like let's say what Poon told, right? Like he wants to act, and like we won't know like how good he can act, and he wants to take video, and like none of us know like how good he can take video. So like we all start up like from nowhere, and we all like trust each other, and we became like one. Same thing like soccer Shaolin. So like we won't know like it's like we pick everyone from each side. So yeah, it's like we just need trust to begin something, and we don't know where it leads us, but we'll go somewhere one day.
Kira asked, online learning or face to face?
Oh wow, awesome.
But I think it's based on the current scenario, right? Like,
Based on the
based on current scenario means online.
I mean, it doesn't matter anyway. General. I'll just say online. You have freedom. You know, I mean, I assume you have your own time management skills.
Are you sure about that?
So if you have all of those kind of skills, so you can behave yourself and organize yourself and study.
No.
Rather than being face to face.
Actually,
I mean, we
Objection.
personally we know that face to face never really work too great for us in class. So yeah, that's my personal opinion.
No, actually, I agree with your point. But I'm like, I
But-
feel like
but why?
it depends
எனக்கு
on what
தெரியும்,
type
நீ மூடு.
of,
தெரியுது நீ மூடு
what is that? I feel like there's certain type of online classes that is okay, like pre-recorded lectures. I prefer pre-recorded lectures over online classes. Like pre-recorded lectures, when you watch, you can just take a break halfway, like because you feel like you want to take a break.
If you don't know.
Reason why pre-recorded.
Because like,
That's like-
yeah, I can
Let
see the sun for maybe like 10-15 minutes, stop, go do something else,
Okay,
take a
it's
break,
either
rest.
that or we can just like if let's say pre-recorded means we can like rewind. Let's say like we are like left out somewhere, we can reach the person the next day or the other
At
day.
your own pace, lah.
Yeah, at our own pace lah.
Ah.
No, the thing is, if you want to do online class or pre-recorded, and face-to-face. The difference is the examination. For example, Malaysia just got major difference online classes. Right? So the fear of students can copy each other just because it's online. They make the syllabus
Absurd.
or the exams quite difficult.
Yeah, they make absurd.
That's the only problem.
So basically, I prefer honestly, to be honest, I like face to face because
I know it cannot be
So they can
friends.
sleep in the class.
Context.
So they can sleep in the class.
Can skip the class.
because can cuci
Babes.
mata.
Cuci mata? Waktu hari dah. Lu mandi ramai, I cuci mata dengan lecturer.
Alright, so last one, right? Okay, this is deep. 1999. What is the definition of life? What is the purpose of being alive? What are the secrets to life? Okay, which one? First, second, or third? Or what are the secrets to life?
Hey, it's just the same question. What is life?
Okay, what is life? Is it?
So, what is life? Okay,
What is life?
life.
What is life?
What is life?
What
Okay,
are
so
already?
life is meant to be enjoy.
Oh yeah, சொல்லுங்க.
Okay. Okay, basically life is more to taking in risk and more to learning new stuff, more to ventures to new things every
Main venture.
Shout out to Lane Ventures. So yeah, actually it's more to taking a risk lah. So if you didn't take risk or what, then what's the point of being alive?
So thanks, Jimmy.
Look to the mic.
Who's gonna go?
I feel life is about just three things. Great friends, great moments,
Hashtag.
great adventures. And I feel I found
Come on.
A few moments later.
I only have this one with a quote from Avicii. Avicii says, he said, one day we leave this world behind. So live a life you will remember. I don't think.
I got that.
Okay, so Thailand.
What is life?
Okay, the thing is like,
Okay, so
we just have to explore new things.
oh, this one like one new tarimu.
Like just explore without any limits. That's it.
Yeah.
You can go up to any extent.
Kasihan tu.
No tiger.
Yeah.
It's under recording.
Okay. So our last question is asked by Bashira. Experience in directing bad trip.
I think Bad Trip is like, as I said, it's like the biggest project until now. And yeah, it was really fun. 4 days shoot. Still got few more days to shoot. 1 more day to shoot. And I think technically everyone was part of it. And yeah, we can't wait to see how the response is, because that much of work, that much of pre-production work we have done, and the amount of the budget, the scale of the film is quite big, and it's a new genre for us. So yeah, it was really good. I think everyone learned something new. Everyone explored themselves in a new way. Yeah, Bad Trip is a good trip.
Yes.
To all of us.
Best trip.
Best trip.
By far best trip. Yes, by far best trip.
There were definitely downs lah, but I think we learned.
Yeah, there were up and down, but yeah, it was a good.
Of the eye.
Mexican beef பண்ணுமா?
Okay, போடு try பண்ணுவோம்.
Mexican beef.
Let's try it out.
Mexican beef.
இப்படி ஒண்ணு. இல்லனா இது பண்ணலாம், இது Mexican beef. இது ஹவாய் இது. Italian beef.
Okay, thank you guys. See you guys next week.